Imagine cooking your entire family dinner, not with a heavy gas cylinder, but with just one single glass of water. We all know the struggle, dragging this heavy 14-kilo red cylinder into the kitchen, tracking fluctuating LPG prices every month, and the constant fear of the gas running out right in the middle of making roti. But an ONGC-backed Indian startup named Greenvise has built a device to bypass that entire system. Their new cooking appliance needs exactly 100 milliliters of water to operate. Combine that half cup of water with just 1 unit of electricity, and this stove will burn a steady blue flame for 6 solid hours. Claims like this usually pop up in shady internet forums, so we have to ask, is this device an elaborate scam or a genuine application of high-efficiency chemistry? Let's look inside the machine. This is a cross-section of the stove. Right in the middle is the core engine making this work, a chamber called a PEM electrolyzer. To understand what a PEM does, think about the RO water purifier in your kitchen. An RO pushes dirty water through a membrane to physically separate the mud from the clean drinking water. The PEM electrolyzer applies that same logic to molecules. It takes standard H2O and forces it through a proton exchange membrane, tearing the water molecules apart into pure hydrogen gas and oxygen. The moment you turn the burner's knob, this reaction happens in a fraction of a second. You get instant combustible hydrogen exactly when you need it. Because the gas is generated instantly and consumed immediately, there is zero storage tank. That means the risk of a catastrophic gas leak or cylinder explosion is functionally eliminated. But here is where the math usually breaks down for skeptics. Splitting water molecules takes electricity. Wouldn't the power bill cost more than the gas cylinder itself? This chart compares the power draw of kitchen appliances over a 6-hour cooking period. A standard induction cooktop pulls 9 to 12 units of electricity. The hydrogen stove pulls exactly 1 unit. Because the energy draw is low, you can plug this device directly into a basic rooftop solar panel. If you do that, your daily cooking cost drops to 0. That solves the cost of fuel, but we still have to address the byproduct of burning that fuel indoors. When you burn traditional LPG, you get carbon emissions and indoor soot. When you burn pure hydrogen, the only chemical byproducts left behind are pure water vapor and clean oxygen. Rather than accumulating the usual indoor soot and carbon monoxide, the kitchen air remains clear, with the stove emitting only trace amounts of humidity and fresh oxygen. No emissions, no cost of fuel, no explosion risk. If the science is this tight, why isn't this sitting on your kitchen counter right now? Because building a miniaturized PEM electrolyzer is expensive. Greenvise is currently pricing the single burner unit at 1,05,000 rupees. The double burner costs 1,050,000 rupees before GST. At that price point, it makes little financial sense for an average middle-class family to discard their 1,000-rupee LPG cylinder. But look at this from the perspective of a commercial kitchen. A large hotel or a busy restaurant burns through thousands of rupees in commercial LPG every single day. For them, a 1.5 lakh rupee stove is a hardware investment that pays for itself in months. And on a national scale, capturing that commercial market serves as a proof of concept for India's national green hydrogen mission. New technology often starts out expensive before economies of scale drive the price down. How long do you think it will take before this gets cheap enough to replace the red cylinders in our homes? Let me know your timeline in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.